Sila mo, para silang nag-letter. Oh, ang dami pala.
Kapal, kakapal. Grabe, ganda.
Yes, marami siya. Kala ko onti lang. Pinagsama-sama pala nila yung magkakatulad. So, ano nakalagay dito? Pera. Parang, thank you for your trust.
Kasi may velvet
locks.
siya. Wow, locks.
Meron nga. Wala, ang ganda. Daming velvet.
Oh. Kasan ka na nga?
So nice, guys. This is like my lifeline. Lifeline.
Pag wala na siyang nakitang ganyan, mamaya alam na kung
Yun.
saan mapunta.
Yun.
To study like 5 chapters. Yeah, 5 chapters, and I just finished printing the last 2 chapters that I did not print before, and now I'm gonna study. It's currently like 3:45 and I'm just starting, so the burger steak na may, ano ba yan? Na may fries and this Coke. Hi guys, I'm about to eat my dinner, and habang naglalakad ako pa uwi, I'm thinking if whether matulog ba ako or no, kasi like half pa lang yung naaaral ko for the history finals tomorrow. And yung tinira kong topic, yung mga tao na lang yun, like painters, mga ganon. Eh baka kasi yun yung maraming lumabas bukas sa exam, so I don't know. Anong oras ba exam namin bukas? Wait, I feel like our exam's gonna start at 8 o'clock. Yes! 8! Hey guys, so it's the next day. It's already Tuesday. And thankfully, natulog ako. Like, di ko na kinaya mag-aral kagabi. So, I just slept. And I just finished getting ready, guys, for the second day of the battlefield. On the battlefield. Off the battlefield. So our exam today, we have interior design 2. And then we have basic color studies. And then we have history of interior design 2. So it's kinda a hectic day for first year students. And then this is my perfume, guys. This is the Ariana Grande. I love this so much, guys. Like, it smells so nice. Na-discover ko to sa pabango ni Mama. And I was like, oh my god, that smells so nice. And then ginamit ko na siya simula nun. And then, pinilihan nila ako ng sa akin ng birthday ko last year. Then, I'm just making sure na I have everything with me before I leave the condo. I have papers. This is my mood board, and then the chroma sorting board that I need for BCS. I plan on reviewing later before we take the exam because we have like 1 hour break, I think. Should I do a what's in my bag? Is it kind of late? Okay, di pa naman ako late. So I have this Prismacolor colored pencils, 72. I bought this from my friend kasi hindi niya naman na ginagamit. So, and then I have my painter's tape. I have my scale. And then I have my pencil case. And then inside my pencil case, I just have multiple colored pens. Blue pen because this is really needed. I have correction tape, stapler, different types of pencils, and then this pencil eraser. And then I also have mechanical pencil and then eraser. And then I have my 45-degree triangle. I have my fan, kinda sira na siya, so I gotta buy a new one. I have my super small umbrella. I have my makeup things. I just have my oil blotting sheet and then my favorite lip gloss from Laneige. Like, this really keeps your lips moisturized, guys. This is in the shade, I don't know, peach glaze. And then my Octo whatever you call this. And then I have my trusty power bank. Even if I don't think I'll need this one because hindi naman kami pwede mag-phone kasi nga exam. I also have alcohol wipes, a mini comb with a broken mirror, and then my wired headset, and then my wallet. That's pretty much what I'm bringing today. Oh, and then also this, my 32 ba to? Or 36? I'm not sure. But this T-square. And now I'm gonna leave because it's already, I don't know what time. So it's already like 7:18 a.m. and our exam starts at 8. And I still have to buy tracing paper because I ran out and I forgot to buy. So that's what we're gonna do. And I still have to throw my trashes on the 2nd floor. So yeah, I'm gonna go now, guys. Bye. Gawa, guys, sa AT4 on our history of interior design. Hey guys, look what I have. And then, oh my god, meron siya kasamang dalawang glaze, and then a big jar of this. I have two there. Right now, I'm gonna go out with my friend from Taft. We're gonna go to a cafe just around UST because we are going to catch up with each other because we haven't seen each other for months, I think. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for her and alis na rin kami soon. So di pa ata sa plates ko though. You see that? Pen tapos, guys, I'll do it later pag uwi ko. Mas maganda to pag gabi. Taga kinda look like a mess right now kasi gumagawa ko ng plate. I mean, hindi yan. Yung isa pa. Gumagawa ko ng plate and then kakatapos ko lang dun sa plans. And then now, I'm trying to make the swatch board, the material board for the kitchen and the living room. And guys, this is like the most heartbreaking thing that I could ever do as an interior design student, is to rip off samples from the booklet. I'm trying to match this one. Ano kasi yan? Parang wood na panels, but I don't have small panels. Wala akong time magpakat sa workshop tomorrow, so I am improvising by using laminates. And I think this is the closest. Mukha lang siya super dark dito. Pero hindi siya as in dark. It's either this one or this one. I think this one, guys. So we're gonna take it out. Ayan. Medyo na nag-lift na siya, guys. Damn. Get it out, guys. This is from Unica, by the way. Thank you so much. This is my proposed swatch board of the kitchen. Like, look at this tile, guys. Ito is this one. Medyo malay sa drawing. It's difficult to draw, hey. Oh my god, look nice. Ang daming binigay sa akin ng Unica. They gave me all these, like 2 fans and then 4 big booklets. So generous, guys. I think this will be my swatch board for the kitchen. I mean, maghahanap pa ako ng paint. But these are the flooring, my counter, my wood panel on the counter, backsplash on the kitchen. I'm gonna find a paint for the cabinets. Yeah. Hi guys, so nagpasa na ako nung interior design plate ko. And I got a nice grade, 91, 97, and 100. And now, gagawin ko naman yung sa basic color studies na plate ko. This one. And may swatch board din kasi siya sa likod. And then, ito din, mood board, concept writing. So, yun yung gagawin ko right now. Hi guys, so I'm currently doing my makeup. This is my last get ready with me as a freshman in UST. Like, hello? Di pa rin ako makapaniwala na a whole year is already done. This is gonna be the last get ready with me as a freshman in UST. Like, I still can't believe, guys, na ganun lang kabilis yung isang full ride. Isang full year sa UST. Like, hello, parang kailan lang. Mag-isa pa ako, tapos wala pa akong friends kasi I wasn't able to attend yung mga activities nila before mag-start yung
freshman walk, yung mga ganon. Kasi I was still in Korea back then. So, nung nag-freshman walk kami, yung tatawid kami sa ilalim ng arc, I literally don't know anyone except for Ray. Kasi si Ray, nakakausap ko na siya even before pa lang. Like, di ko alam. Basta si Ray yung parang first friend ko sa UST. And then, ayun, ng freshman walk, I literally don't know anyone except Ray. And then I got to know Lucas, and then Moira. And then, nung nag-freshman walk, nasa dulo ako ng pila kasi nahiya ako pumunta sa kanila sa harapan. Kasi guys, ganun talaga ako. Pag like, hindi ko pa close yung tao, super cautious ko pa. Kasi nga, ayoko naman sabihin nila na, bakit to nandito? Hindi naman natin to close. Ganon. Kaya ako, nung time na yun, hindi talaga ako sumiksik sa kanila sa harapan. Kasi nga, I don't want na ganon yung isipin nila sa akin. Diba parang kailan lang, guys? Parang kailan lang. Oh yeah, and I'm kinda sentimental about the end of my freshman year. Kasi magsha-shuffle kami for second year. Isa-shuffle kami ng office, admin, sino? Basta isa-shuffle nila kami. So, not sure kung sila pa rin yung kasama ko. Pero, doing the math, parang malabo na. Kumpleto kaming tropa doon. So, I don't know, guys. Like, hindi ko alam kung bakit wala akong sense of urgency right now. Kasi may exam pa ako sa Math in the Modern World. I don't know, guys. Like, I mean, masaya ako na nakapagtapos ako ng first year. I mean, hindi pa naman sure kasi wala pa naman akong kompletong grades. Pero, I'm happy na natapos ko yung freshman year ko without any conflicts and problems. Right? Hindi naman sana ako magiging sentimental, guys, kung I have an assurance na sila pa rin yung kablock ko. Pero, hindi eh. I have my exam at like 3 o'clock and I told my friends I'll be there at 12:30. But look at what time it is. It's 12:38 and nakakailang ano na rin ako sa mga friends ko. So sabi ko sa kanila na, guys, I don't want this year to end. Like, gusto ko kayo pa rin yung kablock ko next year. But you know, there's no certainty, literally nothing, na sila pa rin yung magiging mga kablock ko for second year. This is my lippy, guys. And that's it for my get ready with me / rant / I don't know what to feel anymore because guys, I'm just so super sad. Like, I don't even know how to explain how I'm feeling right now. Kasi feeling ko ang OA ko lang talagang tao.
Hi guys, so I'm eating lunch late kasi kakarating ko lang kasi sumanto kami sa Jollibee.
Paano masyado ng mga yun? Kasi tinuturo lang nila yung mismong pinaplak ko lang. Yung kalawang gusto ko yung may ano, perspective accurate na ano siya do.
I'm done with the exam, guys. I'm just waiting for my friends. And this is my last day here sa 8th floor. I'll see Beata again after 2 months. What's happening?
Decide until 7.
Guys, go!
Saan ka na ba?
Sama ka ba?
Saan?
Hey guys, I'm in the grocery right now kasi binibili ko yung mga inutos ni Mama. And mamaya, babalik na rin ako ng Manila and then magsi-Star City kami with my friends. I colored my hair pala guys. Hindi siya ganun ka-visible though. But it's okay. Medyo magulo ang buko ngayon kasi I am so overstimulated guys. Bumili ako ng ano guys, kunapa.
Katayfi.
Ang sarap pala ng pistachio. Hi guys, nasa Star City kami.
Nasa EK kami.
Star City! Sakay kami ng maliit na roller coaster guys. Kasi ito yung maliit. Okay, tapos na.
Umahin mo.
This is us before, Viking.
Nahilo na siya.
For GS Vlog, shout out.
This is us before Vikings, guys.
Kayla.
Nahilo na ako.
Susuka siya, guys.
Update, guys. Nahihilo na si Deer. We're gonna ride bumper cars. Guys, alam niyo ba yung tawag dun sa column na yan? This is, Corinthian column. Kasi may mga design sa taas. Ayan, di ba? Meron siyang base, and then meron siyang shaft, and then meron siyang, yan. Ang cool, guys. Kasi na-apply ko yung mga pinag-aaralan ko sa history. Like, oh my God, this is so nice.